Suzuki MotoGP. The official factory team of Suzuki in the MotoGP World Championship has updated the livery on the GSX-R in 2020. The company is known to introduce MotoGP editions of its motorcycles, and we have already seen special livery-equipped models in Indian as well as the international markets. Following the same strategy, Suzuki Motor Corporation has brought the latest MotoGP livery to its 2020 GSX-R150 and the GSX-R125 motorcycles. The updated livery features a dual-tone finish along with Suzuki Ecstar branding. The silver paint adds a nice contrast to the blue color, and the new livery looks appealing. The changes are limited to the revised paint theme, while rest of the specifications remain identical to the standard motorcycle. In India, Suzuki already offers the MotoGP editions of the GSX-R and the GSX-R150 fully faired motorcycles. It will be interesting to see if the Indian arm of the Japanese two-wheeler manufacturer brings the new livery to our market. Do note that the company has already updated the GSX-R150 to comply with the BS6 emission norms, and it has retained the previous MotoGP livery on the latest iteration of the motorcycle.